Hello and welcome back. I'm back for 2024, my first video of this year. I've been very busy lately and that's life. What I have here is a new drum smoker, the pit barrel PBX. This is the 22-inch version. I just got this today. I'm gonna do an unboxing video and show what's inside, and I'm curious to see what's inside as well. And yeah, we go from there. This is how the box looks like. It's got like a little damage in the corner. Where is that? Right here. Hopefully everything's good, but yeah, just a basic cardboard box. That's all you get. It was a very good discount to the Academy Store, so I just went today up after work and picked it up. All right, let me set this camera down and see what we got here. All right, let's get started. Hopefully the audio is good because I have a wireless mic right here, as you can see. And let's see what we got. Let's open this right here. Hopefully it didn't damage because I was loading this up by myself and it was like downslope like this. I put this down there and the car started running away from me and I almost hit the car, so I dropped this down and just run away, get the cart so I don't hit any cars. But yeah, it was fun. So let's see what we got here. Alrighty, let me tilt this over so you can see a little bit. We got the bars right here. Oh, this is heavy duty. I might use this for concrete. I'm just kidding. All right, let me set this down here. Put this knife away as well. We got 3 bars. This actually, you can find those at Home Depot. It's like really good. All right, we got the book right here, the manual, I guess, with some instruction, the Chinese writings and English writings on the other side. Let's see what else we got. I'm guessing this is the tool used to pick up the hooks from the inside. All right, let's drop this one down. Styrofoam right here with the lid. I just hope I didn't open this upside down, did I? No? All right, let's see. Come up. Oh, this is the lid. How is this one in here? Uh-oh. I don't want to make snow over here. Let's see how I'm gonna pick this one up. Nice. Okay. This is the lid. It looks just like a barrel lid. I'm gonna sit this one down here, back on the foam, and take the trash away for now. Right there. We got some protection foam right there, and here it is, the barrel. Let me see if I can lift this up without destroying the box. I'm gonna use this box as my trash can for now. Let's see. This one goes out. Damn, it's huge. Let's see what the handles are. All right, let's see. Oh no, this thing heavy. I might have to destroy the box. I'm sorry, box, I have to cut you. All right, let's see. Let's see. Okay, this other one too. It's a very sharp knife. I just got this. I lost my other knife, so. Oh no, I just hit the knife on the concrete. I hope I didn't destroy it. All right, maybe this will help me now. All right, let's see. Oh, this thing's still heavy. Oh shoot. Okay, my back, I'm getting old. All right. There we go. Everything destroyed now. There's cardboard everywhere. All right, let me set this. This thing not heavy. I mean, this thing heavy, not light. They say it's 80 pounds, so I guess it is 88 pounds. Let me get this out. Okay. Guess I'll get the camera closer so you can see better. Alrighty. Alright, this is it. Everything nice and shiny for now. Let's see. Now this is the grate. I guess this is the legs. They go on the bottom. They tie it up right here. One more. There we go. Guess this is the legs. I'm just gonna set it down right there. What else in here? More cardboard, trash. Probably the hooks over here. 16 hooks, one lead handle, hardware, screwdriver, and wrench. Okay, that's nice. Let me show those grates. Those grate looks very similar to the Weber grates for the kettle. Alrighty, and I guess we got the. Sorry about the noise. I guess this is the the charcoal basket. Alright, closer look again. Alright, let me clean this up here a little bit and put all this together and show you what we got here. Alright, I'll be right back. Alright, so I took all the trash and everything. This is how it looks like, and I also installed this handle over there. It also came with the little screwdriver and the little wrench. Hooks. This is the tool for the hooks. Charcoal grate, grates, and rods. This is how it looks like. Looks like here you can put a can opener, bottle opener. Let me see if I can. Okay, I gotta take this off and take it off, but okay, let's build this together. I got this. Gonna sit down there. Oh, let me turn the light on, I forgot. Okay, I'm gonna center that. Then I'm gonna put those grates in right there. Let's see if I can do one-handed. Nice, 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 nice. Then I have those rods. Do one by one. I'm gonna do center one first. That's one. Two right here. Goes in right there. Looks like this one is bent a little bit, but it's okay. And the third one. This is it right here. Just gotta hook up those hooks whenever I'm gonna start cooking. But yeah. And I also set this to my elevation, which is 900 feet, about the quarter open. Right there. And let me put this handle on there as well. I mean the lead. Okay, this is it. Do a little walk around. Alright, if you like this video, please subscribe and hit that notification button. I'm gonna make a first cook soon, and I'm gonna post it on my channel. Thanks for watching, and have a good one.